If you're brand new to Google Chrome or you just want a simple refresher, this video will walk you through the basics step by step. We'll cover how to open Chrome, visit websites, search the web, open new tabs, save bookmarks, view your history, and start an incognito window. By the end, you'll feel much more confident using Chrome every day. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Chrome is the web browser you use to access websites, search for information, watch videos, and manage your online activity. Once Chrome opens, you'll see the address bar at the top of the window. This is also called the Omni box, and it's where you can type both website addresses and search terms. To visit a website directly, click inside the address bar at the top and type a web address, such as www.google.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. Chrome will load that website for you. This is the fastest way to go to a page you already know. If you want to search for something instead, click in the search bar or just use the same address bar. Type your search query, for example, best laptops 2026, and press enter. Chrome will show you the search results so you can browse through different websites and find the information you need. Now let's talk about tabs. Tabs let you keep multiple websites open at the same time without opening a whole new browser window. To open a new tab, click the plus button next to your current tab. A fresh tab will open right away. You can repeat this step to open several tabs at once if you want to compare websites or keep useful pages available. To switch between tabs, simply click the tab you want to view. Chrome makes it easy to move back and forth between different websites, which is great for multitasking. If you're doing research, shopping, or working on a project, tabs can save you a lot of time. Next, let's save a website so you can come back to it later. Open the website you want to bookmark, then click the star icon in the address bar. A small box will appear where you can confirm the bookmark. Click Done, and the page will be saved in your bookmarks. This is a very useful feature for websites you visit often. If you want your bookmarks to appear more easily, you can show the Bookmarks bar. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and B at the same time. The Bookmarks bar will appear under the address bar, making it even easier to click your favorite sites. Now, let's look at your browsing history. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Hover over History, and then click Open History Page. This will show you a list of websites you've visited recently. History is helpful when you want to revisit a page you forgot to bookmark or find something you viewed earlier. Finally, if you want to browse privately, you can open an incognito window. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner again and select New Incognito Window. An incognito window opens with a darker look. In this mode, Chrome won't save your browsing history on your device after you close the window, which can be useful when you want a more private browsing session. And that's the basics of how to use Google Chrome. You've learned how to open a website, search the web, manage tabs, save bookmarks, check history, and use incognito mode. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.